Hello good people, I am at Guy's Head in Lincolnshire. This is the River Nene behind me, which leads to the Wash. You can just see there, that way. That's the Wash just there, probably about half a mile up the upstream. Sutton Bridge is just over that way. I thought I'd do a tour of my T4. I bought this in August just as a work van. It was a TV aerial van, ply lined in the back. It's a bit of a mess, it's got a few dents and whatever on the bodywork, but I spent a few weeks from when I bought it converting it into a camper van. I sort of kept it pretty stealth, so it's got, you know, just steel wheels. Doesn't really look like a camper. I was going to put a side window in, but I thought I'd just leave it as is. It's got a window in the back on the tailgate. On the other side again, pretty standard looking. It's in good nick. Again, a few dents, but it's, you know, nearly 20 years old. Runs nice. Got 213,000 miles. It's a 1.9 TDI. And these engines do go on for a long time, even though, like Stu says, it's got moon mileage. It does drive nice. So inside, pretty standard, decent seats, not ripped, bit of wear on them, but you know, nothing major. Manual windows. I put a steering wheel cover on just to make it look a little neater. It's even got the original cassette player, so I'll have to try and dig out some cassettes. That's my son's booster seat. So yeah, first glance, just looks like a regular T4 van. But you look inside, and there you go. I have convert it into a camper. So let me open the back. There's a massive pedal there, have to avoid that. So you may have seen my other videos where I did the conversion. I've got a control panel here, so that turns on the spotlights. This one turns on the light under the kitchen counter, and there is a controller for it somewhere, so you can change the colour of the light to set your mood and whatever. So got overhead storage for the kitchen, and also the centre for the lights is up there for the remote control. Kitchen worktop, two cupboards for a bit of storage. Got a few bits in there. It's a bit messy at the minute. I ain't really been using it for camping a lot of late. This little side unit, also another cupboard in there. I've got my little cooker in there, bit of shelving for the kettle, hot drinks, first aid kit, tissues, the bed, put vinyl flooring in, rear windows tinted so nobody can actually see in it. The bed cushions obviously out of a caravan. This part here pulls out, the back drops down so it turns into a sort of double bed, and we've had two adults sleeping on that perfectly fine. I've got a leisure battery with it's a 110 amp hour. If you look just under there, I've got the split charge relay which goes to the main starter battery. That wiring goes up to the front. I did videos on fitting the leisure battery and how I made the bed and how I put all the cupboards in and whatever, but for what I need, this is perfectly adequate. One time I went camping, my daughter slept in the front across there, no problems at all. I've got some leftover foil bubble wrap stuff, insulation that I use for the van. I've cut them to shape to the windows, so I basically block all the windows out, including the rear one, so nobody can see in at night, and it keeps it nice and warm. Yeah, I carpeted all the walls insulated with insulation boards. I put the foil wrapping, sort of a water barrier, or water vapour barrier should I say, and then I recarpeted all the roof lining, even did the front inside. Again, there's all videos on these if you look through my other videos on the channel. The inside of the door, also carpeted that. Don't know where you can see it, where the window should be. But again, I just thought, I was going to put a window in, but I thought, no, I'll keep it like that, you know. Keeps it stealth. Thing is, when you put more windows in, you're always battling in the summer to stop the heat getting in there, so yeah, I kept it like that. I may put some wheels on it at some point if I intend to keep it a bit longer. I actually do fancy buying a bigger van and do another project, because to me that's probably one of the best parts, is actually building them. But yeah, there you go, that's my my VW T4. So if you've got any comments about the van, or you know, ask any questions like why are these not staying properly, yeah, just hit me in the comments below. Oh, also another thing I've got to say about this, there's also 3 more spare switches I haven't done anything with, and also there's a cigarette lighter which I used to put my fridge on. I've got a 12-volt fridge and I can charge phones and computers and whatever, your laptops there. So yeah, that's about it. Partially sticker bombed, back windows tinted out. Yeah, so if you've got any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. I normally do camping videos, you know, days out, things like that. I do food reviews. This time of year I probably won't do much in the way of camping because it's a bit cold and I'm a bit of a fine weather camper. But yeah, it really is a nice peaceful area up here. Nice part of Lincolnshire. I live about 9 miles that away. If you go again up to this River Nene, about half a mile, you got the Wash. To the right is Hunstanton, to the left is sort of Skeggy. This is sort of halfway in between. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, I do plenty of videos, converting vans, you know, travelling, camping, sightseeing, food reviews. So if that's your sort of thing, please subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you stay up to date on all the new videos. And that's probably about it for now. And also check me out on Instagram, the Meat Manifesto. I put a lot of pictures up there. And yeah, that's about it. So hope you enjoyed the tour of the van. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Peace.